In this series, a practical approach to garden design unfolds with climate-aware choices and durable materials. Each episode dives into plant selection from sun lovers to shade sculptors, with real stories proving what works in spaces. Viewers learn core principles like focal points, rhythm, and scale, plus hands-on tips for soil and drainage. Eco-friendly techniques shine through projects such as composting systems, rainwater harvest, and native plant integration. From novice wins to ambitious transformations, expert insights and stories show how thoughtful design can turn any outdoor space into a thriving sanctuary.